Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the 2025 online build and owning the car you want a chrome. Drive the vehicle to Benny's or Los Santos Customs. Benny's if you need advanced body paint options. Once at the shop, choose the paint/primary color menu and check for the chrome or metallic chrome option. Some chrome finishes appear under pearlescent overlays. Make sure you have enough GTA dollar. Buy the base metallic before applying chrome overlays, because the shop applies layers in order. You now execute the layered process. First, pick a strong metallic base color that matches the chromed result you want, because chrome reflects that base. Next, add a pearlescent overlay and scroll to find chrome, silver, or mirror-like options. These create the reflective sheen. Once done, preview under different lighting in the shop to judge reflectivity. If the chrome choice is locked, try Benny's exclusive paints or any DLC paint pack you own, and confirm you're not in a session with restrictions. Finalize by purchasing the paint layers and exiting the garage to inspect the chrome under street and daylight lighting. If the finish looks dull, relog to your session and view the car again. Caching can hide newly applied shaders. Make sure you own any required DLC or GTA Plus perks that unlock premium chrome options. If chrome still won't apply, clear your console or PC cache, verify game files, and contact Rockstar support. Often asset entitlement or a corrupted update needs fixing before the shop will allow the chrome.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.